Hello again, everyone. This just landed on my porch and I don't want to wait to open it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that unboxing now. This is going to have a couple of new products in it from Chic Sparrow, so let's go ahead and get in here. So let me remove that and the invoice. Oh, and a different sticker, little wreath sticker. That's pretty. Okay, so I think I'm going to open the smaller one first. So this, oh, very interesting feel. So this is a Maverick Folio, a Cascade Folio. And they've, obviously they've had the I actually think this is called the Scout, not the Maverick, because it has the creme inside pockets on the folio. So they figured out how to get a thinner Maverick leather, so that's why they decided to do these. This is a really pretty one. And I got this in a B6, even though my regular preferred size is B6 Slim. And the reason why I got the B6 size is because I am still stymied by the fact that this does not have a pen loop. So I'm hoping that if I do want to make this my everyday carry, I can put my B6 Slim notebooks in it, put a pen holder in there, and maybe carry 1 or 2 pens, and then it'll all be hidden in here. So if I actually do end up doing that, I will show you all. But this is really, really pretty, and it's quite malleable for a Maverick leather. It's clearly much thinner than it normally is. So this is exciting, and I really, really like the pattern that I got on it. I put no notes at all in my order, and the back is really pretty as well. This is a little bit more like the desert sun texture back here with all these little cracks. And then in the front, we have this beautiful lightning strikes. I really love this leather, so that's fun. I don't know how long they're going to be having these folios with the Maverick leather, just because I think they had a limited supply of this thinner leather. I don't know if they ordered it that way or if they did it themselves. And I just realized I had some fluorescent pink on my nail. This is not nail polish. This is actually from some acrylic ink that I was messing with earlier. All right, so let's put that off to the side. And then this one is a new model. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is gorgeous. So this is the new design for 2022. Here, I'll put it this way so you can see it a little better. It's called the number 8. So that's the back. And then this is the front. It only comes in an extra wide. So, ooh, this snap is kind of, oh my goodness. Am I actually even going to be able to get that open? Yeah, okay. Whew. That was a close one there. So this one has wider cascade-like pockets, which is super cool. I thought that was pretty cool. And then on this side, there's sort of a folio pocket. And then there's no pen loop, but you have this little spot where you can slip in a pen. So right here this is just a gel pen that works pretty easily. Obviously you have to have a clip in order for that to work. But supposedly you can also, that has the rubber bits. That's gonna, what else do I have over here? I have a Folio ball 1.5. That will fit there. You can slide it over depending on, where your pen is. And it does look like you can fit it inside there. We'll see when I have some inserts in here as well. So this is not a size that I use super often, but I'm trying to decide. I do have some wide notebooks that I use for swatching art supplies and that sort of thing because it has some thicker paper in it. So I may use this for that. I was thinking swatchings might be nice because then I can put like product information or stuff like that in here. Or I often have some A5 notebooks that I use, and I might Oh boy, that snap is super, super hard. I'm assuming it'll loosen up a little bit the more it gets used. But supposedly if you just have one notebook that's a little bit on the thinner side, you could fit it in this extra wide. And I actually have an extra wide notebook back from the early days. I did not buy it directly from Chic Sparrow. I joined the Chic Sparrow following after they were offering those, but I got it off of a buy-sell trade group. And it is a classic Maverick double wide, which is, it's really, really nice. And I like the size, which is why I was kind of excited that the size was coming back. And so this one has all this really great texture in here. I was a little concerned that the leather would be sort of vinyl feeling, but it's not at all. It is really, really, it's really, really nice. Although it does look like it scratches fairly easily. Oh my God, that shows you how dry my hands are right now. Like that is just a little piece of skin that is dry, and it was making little scratch marks in here. Oh my goodness. Well, you know, the nature of this leather is very rustic, so I'm not going to worry about that. But yeah, really, really beautiful. And I'll show you the inside again. See, I'll show you this way. Really, really nice. And supposedly this is going to be offered throughout the year. So I don't think it's super limited, but it does only come in this size. So if you're interested in this size, I would say go ahead and pick one up. And these I think are going to be a little bit more limited than Maverick Folios. And this was the only color of Maverick Folio that they had when I was ordering these. So I'm not sure if they're going to be offering the dark brown and the black. I don't think they're going to be offering the black, unfortunately, even though that one is my favorite. But this dark brown is also pretty. Actually, this is the golden brown. All right. Well, that's all I had for you today. Feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I hope to see you next time. But in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.